and welcome back to War Thunder. We're climbing up the tech tree, so at the moment we're sitting in the Sea Hurricane Mark 1B. We're climbing up the British tech tree all the way up to the Mark 9, which is what I've got at the moment. So, yep, sit back and enjoy the show. So we're starting in Hurricane first because we're not going biplanes. Alright, let's go. We're going to level off at about 4,000 feet. Actually, I'm going to go full map off this guy. Alright. Let's go attack some aircraft. Got a HE-111 sitting currently at about, say, 52,000 mils. If you don't know what mils mean, it's what the actual military use. We don't use degrees. Oh, or at least where I live, we don't use degrees. Oh. Oh yeah, he's stalling. This is what we call a player who can't play a game. Alright. Got him. Alright, let's one down. We are untouched and our buddy's here with us. Can't say much about him. Where's our buddy off to? He's off to them. I wanna go attack these bombers and stuff. Pretty sure the TBF is bomber / fighter thing. I want to swoop back because I want to attack these guys as a group. I do not want to attack these guys by myself, so I'm gonna hold it, now go. A BF-109 to the right.
Just a little more effort, and victory will surely be ours.
I'm losing my formation. Okay, break. I'll often use sound effects. for Pilot's Night, I... P36C by the looks of it above us. Didn't really get a good look. Yeah, P36C. Looks like we got flak. It's just general flak, it's not airfield flak, so we don't have to be worried. Let's ease off the throttle a bit. This is our buddy, right? Was he named that? I'm sure, but I want to add him as a friend because I like this guy. I remember I was in my red tab P51 in the game and I went to escort B17 and he shot me dead. He shot me dead, yep. And I was so annoyed, but I typed in chat that everyone to target him, friendly and not. Because in all fairness, I didn't just do that because he killed me, but because he killed it half of the team in fact. Break! Oh ho ho, nice one. Oh, this guy's coming first now. How many kills? Oh, just one, but he's got 2 assists. We took off with this guy, didn't we? Yeah, we did. I'm following this guy. I think we may be on land, I'm not sure. I'm gonna break back and kill these guys. I'm gonna break left. If he follows me, I'm gonna be happy. He's probably out of bullets, so that makes sense. I'm just gonna farm some ground units, go land, catch back up with him, land if I have to. Anyway, oh whoa. Hello there. This is one of those bases I can destroy. Oh, the lag. Oh wow, my bullets ran out fast. Oh no, I'm out of shells. I can't help my friend. It's alright, it's a MiG-3. He can handle it. That's not good. I have to RTB. Oh. That looks like that base should have been dead. It's not. I'm about 12 k's out from base. And I got enemy planes approaching from the... I'm not sure. Hey, there's my friend! And there's the enemy. Please go faster, go faster. I have no bullets. I can't do crap. Behind? No. I don't even care if I get shot down. I'm not letting him shoot down my friend. Kamikaze! No! He shot down my friend! And he's just shot down me. Okay, go, 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 go. Oh, I'm being fired at. One of my flaps was dead. I didn't notice that. Cool, I didn't know that. Hang on a second. Sorry about that. Back into the game. So that's the Hurricane. That's the Hurricane done. So, I could make this a part video, could I? I probably am going to because I'm already at like 12 minutes or something. So, if you have enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. I'm really hoping to get 1,000 subscribers at the end of this year. It would mean the world to me. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.